Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door strike in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take us a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door strike. The door strike keeps the door closed and locked during the washer's operation. If the washer's door won't stay closed or locked anymore, check if the door strike is broken and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the washer's door. We're going to remove two Phillips screws that hold the door strike and tilt it up and release the tab. This is the old door strike next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the tab into the cutout on the top. Place that new strike down. And we're going to secure it with the couple of Phillips screws. Now we can close the door. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.